This is a short movie showing you how you can record a macro and put it as an item in your toolbar. So, the first thing I'm going to do is open up an image for me to do my analysis on. So let's just open up spots. And I'm going to create a file, a macro script file, for me to put my macros into. So if I go macro, and select change, let's call this count spots. So now all of the macros that are going to be created are going into count spots. So let's record a macro. To do this, it's macro, record macro, and I'm going to call it James. And we can just press OK. And the minute I press this, we're recording. So everything I do will be recorded. But what you'll instantly see is at the bottom right hand corner is the recording dialog, which allows me to show the recording, which is here. So I'll just move that over to the side. And also to stop recording and to use something called template mode, which we'll look at in another movie. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to measure, count size, and you can see that it's recorded the code for opening count size. And we're going to do a dark objects, count, view, measurement data, stop recording. And that's actually the code that was used to create my macro. So now, I close down that image and I open up one like it. So let's open up nodules. I can now see that James exists as an item under my macro. I can press it and it executes. So let's go one further than that and try and be clever. So if we go to Edit Preferences, this is the Preferences dialog box where you can turn on particular things and allow a number of undos. But under Toolbar, we're going to press Add, and we're going to look for Count Spots, and we're going to select James. And if I press Apply and OK, you can see my toolbar has wrapped around and I now have button 1. So if I go and open up Spots, I press button 1, it goes and does my dark objects count and separates the touching objects, so I can do that. Okay, if you need more assistance on this, please contact your local dealer or your local sales office. Thanks.